Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, Abu Kal Aliexpress Dropshipping, a complete 2022 playbook, Shopify.com. Aliexpress Dropshipping, the ultimate business guides in 2022. Dropshipping, the ultimate guide to Aliexpress Dropshipping. क्या है?
सारा कुछ हो गया, डॉक्टर फीलिंग हो गई, याली दाढ़ बाद में बनवाऊंगा, एक नहीं बनवा रहा हूँ। अब दूसरी जो ये इसका
Build
कवर
your
चढ़ेगा,
own dropshipping
उसको 5,000
part
रुपए देने हैं।
today. Start a dropshipping
एक
store
थी
with
5,000 वाली, एक
Shopify.
थी 7,000 वाली। वो
आधार वाली लगवा. Build yourself
हल्की
a
है,
part
वो
to get
बिल्कुल हल्की
started.
है,
Why you should
2,000
install
रुपए की
Aliexpress
सेक्शन
dropshipping?
ये देख।
If you are looking to become an
ये एक
e-commerce
नहीं आया वो।
entrepreneur, Aliexpress
5,000
dropshipping is one of the easiest
वो
business.
आ जाएगी फिर मेरी
Through
दुकान पे।
Aliexpress, you can access a huge variety of different products available on the Aliexpress marketplace. Whether it's fashion, electronics, toys, beauty. What is Aliexpress? Founded in 2010, Aliexpress is one of the most popular online marketplaces. How is Aliexpress for dropshippers? Although Aliexpress suppliers are retailers themselves, the vast majority of users on the Aliexpress platform are resellers, and this is well known fact because of this. Aliexpress dropshipping is super simple as suppliers have already worked with dropshippers before or willing to work you need. How dropship with Aliexpress? How to find suppliers for your Aliexpress dropshipping store. Aliexpress. Buy from suppliers with 90% positive feedback. Be careful with branded products. Aliexpress.com. Aliexpress. How to dropship from Aliexpress? No Money 2022 guide. Sellho.com. How to dropship from Aliexpress with no money guide 2022. What is Aliexpress? By online, you have probably heard Chinese billionaire Jack Ma or at least $307 billion company Alibaba. Hope you understand, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. We will meet on another video, and we will meet tomorrow 8:30 p.m. at this time. Video will be uploaded. Thanks for watching.